Hello guys, this is Alzubair. Welcome back to the channels. Today we'll be talking about how to use Coinbase. If you're for your first time, how to use Coinbase. So before we begin the video, please make sure you hit that like button. I mean, if you like the video, if the video was very helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you. Let's begin. As you can see, I'm already signed into my Coinbase account. This is the first thing you will see when you sign into your Coinbase account. As you can see right now, there's a war going on with Bitcoin. This is how I see it, because I believe Bitcoin is not dead yet. People say that Bitcoin is dead, but we'll talk about this in another video. So today I'm just gonna show you how to use Coinbase if you are a beginner. Alright, so this is what it look like when you open Coinbase for the first time. So then you go to portfolio. You press portfolio button. This is right here. So this is new. This is all new. I didn't see this is new. So they give you a reward for holding US coin, because they give you some money for holding these two coins. They give you some reward. This is also new. Recent transaction. This is what you see. So all this, you see everything. This is what you see, what you buy, your asset, obviously. Everybody knows. So I got Athenon 49.56%, Lethal coin. Okay, so I think I sold all my Bitcoin. I think I did sell all my Bitcoin. Yeah, I sold all of it. So I sold all my Bitcoin, but I need to buy more. This is the coin that Coinbase they have right now that you can buy and sell. This is what they have so far. Alright, so okay. This is how you begin. Well, so we'll hit two stronghold, but I could also show you how to buy Bitcoin and other coin in this video too. But first, let's move around. Price. When you go to price, it just show you the coins available on Coinbase. So this is what available. Bitcoin, nothing on. This is Bitcoin Cash, nothing on. This is okay. Chainlink, it's pretty good. Okay, it's pretty good. Okay. What is this? Follow. Oh, they started on follow. What? Oh, okay. I need to follow this too. Okay. I need to follow Dash too. Okay. Athenon class, I need to follow it too. Okay. Zcash. Okay, I need to follow that too. Okay. This is what's available. Okay. This is what available right now. Not available on Coinbase. So all these not available. If you need to, you can go on different website to buy them or anything like that. Alright, so also you can invite a friend and you will get $10. You get $10, he will get $10. See, invite a friend to Coinbase and you will both get $10. And know someone curious about crypto, you will both receive 10 in Bitcoin when they buy or sell 100 or more on Coinbase. So this is your link. You copy the link, you share it. You have like channels. That's what I'm gonna do too. I'll be doing that later on when I upload the video. So make sure, if you are new to Coinbase, make sure you use my link to sign. Yeah. Well, okay. So this is what I get. So now you go right back home, drinking with it set. Okay, so this is following. This is what I'm following right now. So do you remember the starter button I pressed earlier? And also Coinbase add something new. You can also learn. They pay you for learning about it. But you press on it. To zone, you will learn about this, you will learn about that, you will learn about this. Okay, so far I'm starting to learn about this one. Okay. So far I have 42 Stellum remaining. Zcash, I need to learn about that too. You can also get paid for learning about these coins, and then you go back home. Okay. So this number is your portfolio. This is my portfolio. So far it's going down. So now how to buy and how to sell. So you press trade. Word trade. You press trade. Okay. You could pay directly to your bank account. directly to your bank account. So you press the word buy. So you want to buy 50 worth of Bitcoin. So I want to buy 50, but you're not gonna get 50 worth of Bitcoin. Keep that in mind. You will not get 50 worth of Bitcoin because there's a fee. Because if you press preview price, so this is what can get you down. You will get $48.01 because their fee is $2. So I think it's pretty high. Pretty high compared to other exchange. It's pretty high. But Coinbase is the longest in USA. It's the best in USA. They have another version though. It's called Coinbase Pro. We'll talk about that in a different video. So okay, you can pay to your bank straight up. Okay, so which is the fee. This is how much you will get worth of Bitcoin. Okay, so you go back, sell. You want to sell 50. So I don't have Bitcoin, so I can't sell them. I got no Bitcoin. But you can press on which one to sell, whatever you want to sell, whatever coin you want to sell, and then convert. And also, you can convert to your Ethereum, or you want to convert from Bitcoin to Ethereum, from Ethereum to Bitcoin. I don't know if there's any fee to that. Let me find out. So let me see. Ethereum to Bitcoin. Let me see one. Oh, okay. Let's put 5. So let me see what is the preview. Convert. So, oh, there's no fee. Okay, so there's no fee when you convert. Okay. So there's no fee. So the exchange rate is based on Coinbase. I think it's based on Coinbase, the exchange rate. They put the exchange rate how they like it. Well, I guess there's no fee when you convert. Okay, let's see sell. I want to sell. I think there is 5. Preview sell. So I want to see what is it. Oh, see $1. Wow. So $1 per $5. So that means if I put $10, you Coinbase. Still push 10. Let's preview. Oh, still $1. Oh, okay. So it doesn't matter the price. It's still $1. That's not bad. Let's see 100. Oh no, that's not 100. Let's put 100. Preview sell. Ah, I see. Well done. Bravo. You got me there, Coinbase. You got me there. Well done. Excellent, my friend. Whatever to make money, right, Coinbase? You do whatever to make money off me. See how is it? Let's see 1,000. No, I don't have that much money, so let's see 50. I'll tell you only pair. So it's really, I don't know what is the percent. Press on it. What is the percent of the fee? Well, if you want to learn about that stuff, some other stuff, it'll tell you. Press on it. It will tell you the price. Oh, okay. Give me percent. What is the percent at? Okay, so percent is 2%. The percent is 2%. Okay. Just give me a minute, guys. Somebody's knocking on my door. I'm back. Well, alright, so this is so basically wait there. Okay, right here. Oh, if it would be percent fee would be 4.40%. Okay, that's not okay. This is okay. This just cover the price and all that. Okay, so now I'll go back. Okay, so alright. So we get this cover. But what you could do, you could also okay, let me see something. Okay, you could also add. No, right here. What is it? US dollar. You could also add some money here. So you could also add. You could add money here. So you could just add some US dollar deposit. So you can also add the money. So the money will be available on your Coinbase when you want to buy cryptocurrency or you want to buy coins. Yeah, or you want to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum. It will you can just deposit some money to your United States dollars. So the money will be available on Coinbase instead of just taking it from your bank. But I have nothing, so go back to Coinbase. Go back to portfolio. You can also see this is no. So you see me? I think this is a coin that designed by Coinbase. Well, that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you think the video is very helpful, please do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. Thank you guys, and I see you around. Have a wonderful day.